Hi, I'm Deon Cecile. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing 9 simple ways to organize your life and space. But before we do that, let's keep this quote in mind. As Josh Becker said, never organize what you can discard, and by discard, I mean sell, donate, or trash. Now let's look at those 9 simple steps to get your life and space organized. Let's start by writing it down. Just make a list of all the areas you want to tackle. Then you want to schedule time. Organizing can take time, so make sure you schedule it, just as you would any other task. We all have cell phones. Take a picture and use that to help you visualize exactly how you want the space to look and feel. Taking a picture also helps you to visualize what you want easier, and it also shows you all the things that you don't want to keep anymore. Next, start in one place and stick to it. Once you've completed that area, celebrate and then move on to the next area. One of the things we'll all need to learn how to do is to put things back after we've used them in their rightful place. Stop saying I'll put it back later. We all know that never happens. I use storage containers. These can be baskets, decorative boxes and cans, or glass bottles. They help to define and decorate your space and gives everything a home. Word of caution though, do not shop for organizing storage systems until you have decluttered, sorted, and organized, okay? You can also consider using labels, as labels makes it easier to find things and put them back once you're done using them. Another tip is to reduce clutter spots around your house. And you may ask what a clutter spot is. A clutter spot is one of those places in your home that constantly gathers all manner of things. For example, that chair in your bedroom that was meant for your relaxation but now has towels, clothes, pillows, blankets, etc. Here's what you need to do. Either you're going to get rid of that item, which has become a clutter spot, or you're going to use it for its intended purpose, okay? Now that you have spent so much time decluttering and organizing, you have to maintain what you've created. Glance around your space daily. If you see anything out of place, put it back and do a quick cleanup of surfaces. It makes a difference. There you have it. There's no better time to start than now. Your mind, body, and soul will thank you for it. As a matter of fact, so will your pockets. That's it for today, lovies. Check back next week Monday for another organizing and decluttering video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. And of course, hit that subscribe button. Then turn on the notifications so you will always know when something new is out. Bye.